In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up parental controls and a PIN on Amazon for a Prime Video, plus how to change or reset it and what restrictions you can apply. We'll do everything from a web browser, since that's the clearest place to manage your settings. Open your browser, head to the Prime Video website, and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile name. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls live. Next, switch to the Parental Controls or Permissions tab. This is the hub for your PIN, purchase protection, and viewing limits. Under the Prime Video PIN section, select Create or Change. You'll be asked to enter a 5-digit number. Pick something memorable to you but not easy for others to guess, and avoid obvious sequences. Click to save. For security, you may be prompted to confirm with your Amazon account password. That's normal. It ensures only the account holder can make changes. With your PIN set, turn on purchase restrictions. This setting means anyone renting or buying a title will have to enter that PIN first. It's a simple way to prevent accidental purchases or surprise charges. Just toggle it on here in the same parental controls area, and it will apply wherever your account is used. Now let's tighten up what can be watched without a PIN. Still on the parental controls page, find Viewing Restrictions. Choose the maximum rating that can play freely. For example, you might allow G or Family/PG for younger kids, Teen 13+ for older kids, or keep everything locked above that so the PIN is required for more mature content. Think of it this way. Anything at or below the level you choose will play normally. Anything higher will prompt for the PIN. Below the rating selector, you'll see a list of devices. Pick which devices these viewing rules should apply to. Great if you want stricter limits on a living room TV and different settings elsewhere. Your selections here determine where the restrictions are enforced. If you ever need to change or reset your PIN, come back to the same Prime Video PIN section and choose Create or Change again. Enter a new 5-digit PIN and confirm with your Amazon account password if asked. Because these controls are tied to your account, you can update them anytime from the web, even if you don't remember the old PIN. That's it. Set the PIN, enable purchase restrictions, choose your viewing level, and target the devices you care about. You're all set to keep Prime Video family-friendly while staying in control.